Where is Allie? Oh no, she's got the vacuum. Little vacuum brush thing. Yeah. Let's put that back. Let's not play with that, okay? Lucas, no. Go get Daddy. Yes, those are Mommy's. Those are the baby's invitations. Aren't they pretty? So you're invited to Lucas and Allison's second birthday party. Uh-oh. Your shoe fell off? Go tell Daddy. Here's Lucas trying to break into the snacks early. No, we're not eating snacks yet. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Allie, bye-bye?